As a busy working mom blogger and entrepreneur, I understand the importance of making a first impression with the outfits and makeup I wear. Thanks to Speed Queen, I save time and money, and I have peace of mind with my laundry. As a Women's Choice Award winner, I can trust that all my laundry, from basics to delicates, are in good hands. Speed Queen offers great washer and dryer options that help keep my clothes looking fresh and clean. Right now, Speed Queen is offering a special 10-year parts and labor warranty promotion through December 31st, 2019. Imagine a decade of worry-free laundry. Now that's peace of mind. Thanks, Speed Queen.